Yeah, okay, so here's the brake light switch, right? And then this is the plug. And there's the rubber thing that's like pushes the button. But I'm looking at this shit, right? And I'm just like, yo, is that a fucking zip tie? Why the fuck is there a zip tie on my brake pedal? Like, yo, what the fuck? How do I change this brake light switch? What the fuck is a zip tie here for, bruh? I can't fit in here. It's like, God help me. Okay, so I think it's something like that, but I can't get it to screw into the fucking hole. It's mad hard to fit one fucking hand in here. Like, this shit does not... Like, there's threads, but it's not going into them. Like, right there. You see that? Like, what the fuck am I doing wrong? I've been doing this shit for like 30 fucking minutes. Like, why the fuck is it not... Like, yo... And is that thing supposed to be like that? Because before it was facing the other way. I mean, this shit makes sense. If it's pressing it, and then you press the pedal, you press the pedal, it moves back and unpresses it, and that's when the brake lights come on because you're pressing the pedal and the thing is unpressed. Well, why the fuck? Success. Look at that. Wait, let me get my fucking... Look, it's actually threading. What about, like, the retainer bolt? Ah, fuck it. Did I forget about that shit? Yo, wait, hold up. This shit's not even matching up. Whoa. Hey, what? I mean, hey, at least I got it in, right? Bro, what the fuck? Yo, do you see this shit? Hold on. It's not like, what? Huh? I'm doing something wrong. I already know it. This is the stopper, right? Maybe I can get a new one of these. Maybe the shit's just not fucking aligned. Okay, wait. Look at that. They are legit not fucking aligned. Yeah, look. Are you serious? Bruh. No wonder the zip tie was there. It all makes sense now. Fuck. Ah, shit. Okay, let's see this shit. Fucking... Like... Okay. Right? Oh, it's making contact. Let's fucking go. No zip ties. How the fuck am I gonna plug it in now that it's all the way in here? Oh.